Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law, every Saturday at 11 a.m. right here on News 96.5, coming to you absolutely live this Saturday. And by the way, Olsen on Law, now 29 years in Orlando marketplace. Folks, that adds up to over 1,800 radio shows and 20,000 legal questions I've answered for you on the air over the years. Hey, Chrissy, I want to take a minute to talk about some clients I had last week. And they are Oliver and Jeanne. And Oliver and Jeanne, very special people. And we have the greatest clients in the world. You know that already, right?
We do.
Yeah. And what's really cool about them is that they live in the green swamp. They have intentionally moved into a place where you got to travel a long ways down a dirt road to get to their house. They like living that way. Coyotes, wolves, donkeys, they got it all out there.
Wow.
Yeah. So they needed to get their will done, and they went and got some forms like, you can get on the internet these days, and they looked at them and they said, no, this is not going to work. We need to go see Attorney Tom Olsen, even if we got to drive all the way to Orlando to do it.
And they did.
Yes, they did.
Good.
I can appreciate that.
Yay.
So I appreciate you, Oliver and Jeanne. I appreciate that very much. Now, what was kind of cool about that was I was checking out their home. If you go to Lake County Property Appraiser's website, you find a map. You can see exactly where their home is. I was curious about it, right? They're south of Claremont. But as well, their home, as the bird flies, is only a couple miles from the 5 acres that I own in the green swamp.
Did you tell them that?
I told them that.
Oh.
Yeah. So I own 5 acres in the green swamp, but I've never been there yet. So,
But you could at least see it on the map.
I could see mine. I could see theirs. Hey, it's not that far. If they can drive to Orlando to see me, I can drive to Green Swamp and see my 5 acres.
Hey, I think you should go check it out.
Yeah, and by the way, for my 5 acres in the green swamp, folks, if you wonder, hey, how does Tom afford 5 acres in the green swamp? Well, Lake County property appraisers, they assess the value added as $250 for 5 acres. My annual real estate tax bill for my 5 acres in the green swamp is like $3.50.
And you've had this for quite a while,
I've
right?
had it for quite a while, but it has re-piqued my interest in going out there and checking it out sometime.
I think you should.
Again, I want to thank you, Oliver and Jeanne, for driving all the way from your home in the green swamp down the dirt road and coming all the way to the big city of Orlando to see me get your wills done. I appreciate that.
So then, Tom,
Yes?
when you decide to go take a trip out there and
Yeah.
check it out, you need to have Oliver and Jeanne meet you there.
That'd be cool. And by the way, they own a donkey to keep the coyotes away. Donkeys and coyotes are natural enemies. So I thought that's pretty cool.
And it works?
And that and bobcats, yes, exactly. So I'll be checking it out soon. But thank you again, Oliver and Jeanne, for coming to see me. I appreciate that. And I'll check in with you when I come out to see my 5 acres, okay?